Hey, third grade! Welcome back to math. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend and you had some fun out in the snow. So I'm just going to do a quick rundown on what's expected of you today. So first things first, here's our target. I can interpret the unknown in a multiplication and division problem. I will show this by solving 3 word problems involving unknown factors. A lot of big words, but you're going to check out our target video and you're going to see me break it down piece by piece, and it's going to make so much more sense. After your target video, you are going to complete the pattern counting by 9s from 9 to 90. Here's a little refresher video on how to get to Seesaw. Here is your link turtles. Here is your link rabbit. Remember, if you're a rabbit, you can click no here. If you're a turtle, if you're a rabbit, you click no. Yeah, okay. And then you would push yes here. Woo, got that backwards. Here's the information on your sprint. Use whatever kind of timer you would like, but here is a 2-minute timer if you want to use this one. Now, with the sprint, another reminder, do as many as you can in 2 minutes, circle where you left off, and then you can go back and fill out the rest. I do not expect you to have the entire page worth of multiplication and division problems done in 2 minutes. Not yet. Maybe by the end of the year. It's okay if you don't have it all done yet. I would not expect that from you. So just circle where you left off at the 2-minute mark, and then you can go back and fill it in for fun. How many questions did you finish in 2 minutes? Was it somewhere between 1 and 3, somewhere between 4 and 8, 9 and 15, or 16 or more? This is just so I can kind of see. I'm going to get your picture of your sprint later on Seesaw, but this is just so I can kind of see where you think you're at. You have 2 problems that you're going to watch me solve today. These problems are going to help you on your problem set. There are only 3 questions on your problem set, but I need to see how you solved them and what your answer is. So these 2 problems, problem 1, it's about Cindy and highlighters. You're going to answer these questions. And problem 2, about Yvonne and some marbles. Okay, so you're going to watch both of those and answer these questions, and then you're going to do your problem set and upload it to Seesaw. Okay, so that is kind of the rundown for today. If you have any questions, of course, save those for our 10:30 math meeting, and we will be happy to answer them. All right, good luck, my little mathematicians.